So to start this, you're going to flip the unit over and take out the bottom cover screws. Now that the bottom cover screws are out, you can open up the unit, take your spudger and pop up the palm rest. So now you can flip the palm rest over and unplug the battery. And then you can disconnect the touchpad cable and the keyboard cable. So now at this point you want to take out the screws holding in the battery. Now you can lay the unit flat and then take the battery out. Now you can take your new battery and put it back into place. Put the screws back in to hold the battery down. So now you can take your palm rest and reconnect the touchpad cable and the keyboard cable back into the motherboard. And now just reconnect the battery. Then pop the palm rest back into place. And then you can close the unit and flip it over and put the bottom cover screws back in. To verify the repair, you can plug in the AC adapter, open up the unit, and hold in the power button. If the LCD comes on, then the repair was successful, and you can shut the unit back down.